विराट दत्ता, रिया सिन्हा, मनोज सिन्हा, मानसी मौदिका,
सर आपका आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
ओके ओके ओके।
हाँ भी ठीक है।
पाटिल, विपल सिन्हा, विपल सिन्हा, पृथ्वीराज, पूर्णपमा, ऋतुपर्णा, पूर्णपमा, ऋतुपर्णा, रुद्रनील, सम्राट, शालू सोहम, शालू सोहम, सौविक, सूरज, त्रिशा वेदिका, 15. Still who recently joined? Virat, Diya, Manoj, Mansi, Maudipa, Nabanita. Diya, you can off your video. Off the video. Don't know. There will be a video symbol. If you click on the mobile side, video symbol will be there. Yes, that's enough.
Thank you, sir.
Listen to the class proper. Okay. Actually, yesterday had a instruction that I have completed the inspection for the class 12, and it was instructed to me that the principal, inspecting principal, given a suggestion that students can switch on the video. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we are going to start the elimination method, the next method. So I think you are completed all the problems of the exercise 3.3. Okay, so let us go for the exercise 3.4. 3.4 is called using the elimination method, which is called as a elimination. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, once everyone try that, how you people are, whether you are listening properly or not, to know that. So as it was instructed by the principal sir, if you have the any problem, okay, no problem, but switch on the video, but mute the mic. Everyone, if you have any problem, don't switch on. Let me see your faces after a long time. Did you understand? Okay, leave it if you are not able to do it. Let us go for the elimination method. The next method is, we have learned in the previous class, substitution method. So now the method is elimination method. So using the elimination method, elimination is nothing but we have to remove it. So one, we have to remove it. So in the elimination method, what we have to exercise problems, let us go for that. Exercise 3.4. The first problem, if you see that, x plus y is equals to 5, x plus y is equals to 5 is the one equation, and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So this question is given that solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. By the elimination method and the substitution method. So, and the substitution method is nothing but here you are not supposed to do the two methods. We will eliminate the one variable from these two equations. So to that, for that elimination method, if you want, you have to make the coefficient of the one variable, any one variable, equal. Suppose here, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. What is the coefficient of x here you are having? 1.
1,
Here coefficient of x is 2. So,
2,
can you make this 1 as a 2? Yes, this complete equation you can multiply by the
2.
If you complete equation, if you multiply by the 2 and subtract this equation, that means that can be written as equation number 1 into 2 minus equation number 2. The equation number 1 को 2 से multiply करना है. This is 2. That means it is going to change into 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. So from this you need to subtract 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Elimination means subtracting. We are subtracting, that's why the signs will change. These two will get cancelled. So we are eliminated variable x from these two equations. And what do we get here? 2y plus 3y, 5y is equals to 10 minus 4, 6. So what do we get here? Therefore, y is equals to 5 by 6. This you substitute in any one of the two equations.
Sir, y equal to तो 6 by 5 होगा ना?
Oh, sorry. 6 by 5. 6 by 5. That substitute in equation number 1. Not only in 1, in 2 also you can substitute. So to get the x value. So that's why in this chapter it is given, in this exercise it is given that using the, what is given? Using the substitution, elimination and the substitution method is given. That means no need to do the one problem in two methods. But if you do it, it is a benefit to you only. It is a benefit to you only. Okay? So now what do you, y is equals to 6 by 5. So this you are substituting in this equation. So equation number 1 is turning into x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5 minus 6 by 5. So 5 will be here. 5 is 25. 25 minus 6. So x is equals to 19 divided by 5. So x value 19 by 5, y value 6 by 5. Whether these two are right or wrong, how do we check? This solution is right or wrong?
सर x का जो वैल्यू हुआ है ना उसको x की जगह पे बिठाएंगे और y का जो वैल्यू है उसको y की जगह पे बिठाएंगे.
Okay. Try to speak in English. ये बिठाना बोलने तो थोड़ा सा हंसी आते हैं मुझे. Okay, good. But you learn English also. You try to say the same thing in English.
Sir, put the value of x in equation 1 and value of y.
No, simple. Substituting or putting. Okay, whatever it may be. Substituting or putting the values of x and y in equation number 1 and 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is a way better. So both it should be satisfied by the both equations. Then only we can say that this is solution of this pair of linear equations. Okay? Did you
Okay,
get that?
sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the second problem in this way. Second problem, if you see that 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. This is first equation. Okay. The second equation is 2x minus 2y is equals to 2 is the second equation. Okay. Now here, do remember that if you are making the coefficients of the same problem can be done if you multiply this equation by the 3. Shall I explain? If you multiply this equation by the 3, here plus 3y you will get. Here minus 3y is there. Then you add these two equations in that situation. Okay, let us solve the same problem in another method also. First problem only, this problem only can be done in another way. What I will do? Here first I have eliminated x. x को eliminate कर दिया, remove कर दिया. And suppose I can sir, I don't want to remove the x, I want to remove the y. y को मैं eliminate करना चाहता हूँ. You may ask like that. So if you ask to eliminate the y from these two, so what to do here? What is the coefficient of y you are having here? 3. Minus 3 is there. So let it be, no problem. If you are having a minus or plus, doesn't matter. But the coefficient irrespective of the sign, coefficient number, irrespective of the sign, the number should be same. Suppose if they are having an opposite sign, add the two equations. If they are having the same sign, then subtract. See here, they are having same sign in these two. Here plus, here plus. So that's why subtracting. Suppose if I multiply the equation number 1 by 3, and if number 3, so let us write the number 3. Equation number 1 by 3 and plus equation number 2, I will do it. So equation number 1 को 3 से multiply करता. So what will we get? 3x plus 3y is equals to 15. Equation number 2, as it is 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Now what to do? Addition we are doing. While doing the addition, you are not supposed to change the signs. Here plus symbol. Sir, why did you take the plus? Here see, one is plus 3, another one is minus 3. So that's why addition you need to. If you are having the one plus and another minus, addition. If you are having both same sign, then subtraction. So now what do we get here? 5x is equals to, what do we get here? 19. So what do you get here? X is equals to 19 by 5. See, like this also x value you can find out. Here I have eliminated y, x, so y value r. Here I have eliminated y, that's why x value. So these two also you can do it. Now here, this is a complete one solution you can take. And after getting x value, this x value substitute in any one of the two equations. Then you will get the y value. Sir, I want this one to do and this one to do to find out the x and y. So yes, you can do it. Once eliminate x, y value, once eliminate y, x value आ जाएगा. वो भी elimination means exact elimination method बोल सकते हैं. So here elimination and substitution method is nothing but here eliminated and that is substituted in this. So elimination and substitution method. Sirf only elimination method is nothing but this and this you can do it. That doesn't matter, and in the examination also, nowhere else it asks you to do the particularly in this method. Okay, so don't worry, you need to know the methods here. Methods to आपको पता होना है. So this is elimination method. Did you understand? So let us go for the second problem. If you want second problem, see here. In the second, after getting x here, y value चाहे तो substitute that x value in the y. So second one. Second problem, if you see that, what is the question given to you? Here 3x plus 4y. I am not going to explain to you the complete solution. 3x plus 4y is equals to 10, and 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. So now here, if you see that to eliminate x, what to do? I want to eliminate x. Can anyone tell? This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. If I want to eliminate x, what to do? x का कोएफिशिएंट दोनों सेम करना है. इधर 3 है, इधर 2 है. So
सर, we have to make first equation को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
अपोजिट में फर्स्ट इक्वेशन
2 से
इधर क्या है मल्टीप्लाई करो, सेकंड इक्वेशन को इधर क्या है वो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करो. Otherwise here the situation is like that only. Okay, so this equation you should multiply by the 2, this equation you should multiply by the 3 because here 3 is there. Suppose if I want to eliminate y eliminate करना है
सर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को और सेकंड इक्वेशन को 4 से.
ना no need. See here
सर सेकंड को 2 से,
सेकंड को 2 से और सर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 1 से.
फर्स्ट को करना ही नहीं है.
This 4 is multiple of 2. 4 is multiple of 2. So इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको कुछ मत करो. तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 4 हो जाएगा.
Yes
So
sir.
4 है तो then it is enough to you. So don't think that always. Suppose here what to do, you know? Suppose if the equations are given, I am going to give you some other. I am going to frame another equation to you here. I am giving here 2. Here I am giving 8. Suppose a equation is given to you like this. Here 12 it is given, here 8 is given. I want to eliminate x. Usually what you people will do? इसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इसको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना, है ना? Isn't it?
Yes sir.
No, it's not. Okay, that is right only. I'm not saying it is wrong, but it increases the problem length of the problem and it consumes a little bit more time. ज्यादा टाइम लेते हैं वो. अब क्या करना है ना, ये 12 और 8 का LCM क्या है? 24 है. दोनों का LCM करो. LCM कैसे करते हैं सर? सिंपल थिंग. इसका मल्टीपल, ये दोनों में बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 12. 12 का मल्टीपल्स चेक करो. 12 is not multiple of 8. 12 का नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल क्या है? 24. 24 is multiple of this one. तो दोनों को 24 करने के लिए ट्राई करो. इसको 24 करना है, कर सकते हैं?
Yes sir.
By multiplying
2.
इसको 24 कर सकते हैं?
Yes sir.
By multiplying
3.
yes, that's enough. हमारा इंटेंशन क्या है? Sir, if I do this complete equation by 8, this complete equation by 12, is it wrong? No, wrong नहीं है. देखो 12 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और नंबर बढ़ जाएगा ना. 12 8 जा क्या है? 96 है. नंबर बढ़ रहे हैं. So you can do like that also. It will not give the wrong answer, but time save करने के लिए हम try करना है. So ये दोनों का LCM क्या आते हैं? दोनों का LCM 24 है. So इसको 24 करना है, इसको 24 करना है. So like that you should go on checking the numbers here by changing the different numbers which is given also. Here 3x is given, here 2x is given. So here the best method is what here? Easiest method is eliminating y. Because इसको कुछ नहीं करते हैं, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो हो जाएगा. So eliminating y को eliminate करना है. So to eliminate the y, what do you write here? 3x plus, okay. First write equation number 1 plus equation number 2 को into 2 से multiply करना. So what do you get? Equation number 1 as it is, right? 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. इसको 2 से multiply करो. 4x minus 4y is equals to 4. दोनों को ऐड कर रहा हूं. क्यों ऐड कर रहा हूं? इधर प्लस 4y, इधर माइनस 4y. So ऐड करना है दोनों एलिमेंट्स. 7x is equals to 14. X is equals to 2. X is equals to लेके इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. y वैल्यू आ जाएगा. Okay na? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Okay. Now let us go further. Actually, in these problems, the main thing is that equation framing वाला problems होता है ना, story. एक word problem होता है. Word problem is one problem is given to you, one story like this one as well. That is main essential thing here to do. So let us go for the fourth problem. If it is given to you, if you feel that it is difficult, first convert that equations to the with the integral coefficients. Suppose here fourth problem is given to you. What is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1. This is one equation, and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3 is another equation. Okay, so what is ये दोनों का LCM करना है. Here this is not having with the integral coefficients. Integers नहीं है coefficients. Integral coefficients को convert करो. उसके बाद problem easy हो जाते हैं. Can you do it? I think you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, second bit problems, let us solve it. Second bit problems are very, very interesting, and all these problems are there. So, if you are not having a textbook with you, I will show the question to you in a proper way. So, once you see this, is it visible to elimination?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is written here? I want any one of you to read. Trisha,
Yes, sir.
read what is given in step 1.
First multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficient of the one variables, either x or y, numerically equal.
न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल बोला है. न्यूमेरिकल इक्वल बोले तो मैं बोला है ना, व्हाट न्यूमेरिकल मीन साइन का जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, सेकंड स्टेप देखो, मैं थोड़ा फास्टली पढ़ता हूँ. सेकंड स्टेप इज गिवन टू यू. स्टेप नंबर 2 हियर, सी, then add or subtract one equation from the other equation so that one variable gets eliminated. If you get an equation in one variable, go to the step number 3. So if step number 2 we obtain the true statement involving the no variable, sometimes you may have the true statement is nothing but both the variables will be eliminated sometimes. So if you get that means 2 is equals to 2, 3 is equals to 3, like that diagram. So if you get 2 is equals to 2 or 3 is equals to 3 like that, then what do you get here? So in that situation, it is going to have the infinite number of solutions. It is going to, I will show it to you. So if in step number 2 we obtain the false statement. False statement is nothing but sometimes you will get 2 is equals to 3. After elimination, 2 is equals to 3 aa jayega. 2 is equals to 3 means no solution. Parallel lines. They are the parallel lines. Okay. So here, see here, already we have learned it previously. This is types of the solutions of the system of equations. So one solution, the lines cross at one point, means intersect at one point. They'll intersect at one point. Okay. So next, no solution. No solution is nothing but do not cross means parallel lines. The lines are parallel lines. And infinite, coincide. The lines are coincide is nothing but that lines are. So this is the thing we have learned. So algebraic method of solving the pair of linear equations means we have discussed the substitution method. One method is substitution method is completed, and elimination method now we are discussing, and another one is cross multiplication method you are having. Okay, so now here if you go for that, in this elimination method, if you get, sometimes you are going to get here okay, board is visible to you now completely, full board.
Yes, sir.
Now if you see that, sometimes I give you the one situation. X plus y is equals to 5. 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Two equations. Elimination method use करो बोलता हूँ. So what do you get elimination method if you use this one? In this situation, ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So ये 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 हो जाएगा. वो भी 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 हो जाएगा. Suppose subtract कर लिया तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये भी 0 is equals to 0 आ गया. 0 is equal to 0 always true है. So whenever you get the situation to you like this is the situation if you get, then in that situation you can say that that lines, if you are taking into consider these two, which type of the lines, it is always true. So infinite number of solutions. So coincident lines, these two are the coincident lines. Suppose here if I have given to you the equation to you, x plus y is equals to 6 I have given to you, and 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. So elimination method use करो बोले तो इधर क्या करते हैं, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 2x plus 2y is equals to 12. Here 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 आ जाएगा. और इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इधर 0 हो जाएगा. 12 minus 10 2 हो जाएगा. 0 equal to 2 होता है. 0 equal to 2 कभी होता है? ये false है ना? It is false ना? So that's why if it is given to you very clearly, if it is false statement, okay, if it is a false statement, here it is clearly given to you, see. So false statement in step number 2, if you get a false statement involving no variable, इसमें variables नहीं है, false statement आ गया है. So then no solution in that situation. In that situation, no solution. If you are having the one solution, then normally solution आ जाएगा. So next solve the equation in one variable. Next step number 4, substitute the value of the x either in original equation to get the value of the another variable. Other variable आने के लिए वो करना है. So for example, here it is given to you 3x plus 3y is equal 3x plus 2y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. So now here if you see that this one, see here multiplies 2x, 3x plus 2y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to, so multiply the 3 in equation number 2, 1. Equation number 1 को 3 multiply कर दिया है, equation number 2 को and 2 in equation number 2 को 2 multiply कर दिया. So इसको 3 इसको 2 multiply कर दिया तो y coefficients became equal. See here y coefficients became equal after multiplication. And then after subtract कर लिया तो x value आ गया है. So this is a way, and that x value substituted in a equation number, any equation. So here 2x plus 3y में x का place में y put कर लिया है. X का place में 5 is substituted here. So then you got it. Okay, so this is a way to find out the solution for the elimination method. Okay, now let us go for our textbook problem. So can you read the question now properly? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So now here what is question given to you? Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. Okay, find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. The first question is given to you. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. See, reduces to 1, reduces by 1 is completely different. Reduces to 2 is nothing but वो बन गया है. Reduces to 1 is nothing but. So वो 1 बन गया है. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1, it becomes 1 by 2. So it changes to 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Denominator को 1 add कर लिया. So what is that fraction is the question. Is the board is visible to you properly?
Yes, sir.
Can I write on the board now by keeping this question as it is?
Yes, sir.
इसको क्लोज करो, इसको क्लोज करके लिख दिया तो थोड़ा बड़ा दिखता है ना। अब क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Okay, so adding 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So the equation you need to frame here, framing the equations I am going to say in these situations, okay, one by one. So the first question is given here that x numerator x man, let numerator is equals to x and denominator is equals to y. Then the fraction is x by y. The question is given to you, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Adding 1 to the numerator, subtracting 1 from the denominator. Then it reduces to 1. Yeah, reduces to 1. So reduces to 1 means this is going to get x plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. From this, x plus 1 minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So which implies x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. First equation आ गया. Next, what is given to you in the question? It becomes 1 by 2. वो 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. If we only add 1 to the denominator. Numerator को कुछ नहीं कर रहे. तो numerator as it is. Denominator को 1 add कर लिया है. Then it becomes 1 by 2. So this is one equation you will get. Cross multiply कर लिया तो 2x is equals to y plus 1. So ये दोनों को इधर लेके आओ 2x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is second equation. These two equations को आप elimination method use करके solve करना. समझ में आया ना?
Yes sir.
In this actually you are going to have a different problem is that I will show you to the different problem here. The second problem, see here, second problem is very simple. You can do it, I think so. 5 years ago, Nuri was 3 times as old as Sonu. A model problem तो हम लोग सीख लिया है ना? 10 years later, present ages, Jacob वाला एक problem होता है, Jacob बोल के. So see here, most of the students will do the one wrong concept they are having. Mostly, what they will do, the students they will do that. Students will do that normally. They will try to remember the solution. Solution को पूरा याद करते हैं, याद रखते हैं. So you are not supposed to remember the solution directly. Means वो हो जाकोब वाला प्रॉब्लम में ये आंसर आ जाएगा, ये नूरी वाला प्रॉब्लम में ये आंसर है. Don't remember like that. The names may be used and the numbers may be changed sometimes. Here the question is given to you, Nuri 5 years ago. 5 years ago there means present ages of Nuri and Sonu, x and y. 5 years ago बोले तो x minus 5, y minus 5. Already we have solved it. So let us go for the third problem. Any one of you please read the third question here. I am going to highlight it. Who will read it? Souvik.
Yes sir. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Find the number.
कुछ समझ में आया? कुछ समझ में आया? कुछ समझ में आया? Okay. One more student I want to read this one. Who will read? Maudipa. Maudipa, please read this.
The sum of 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is number obtained by reverse the order of the digits number.
तो समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Sum of the digits of 2-digit number. 2-digit number is nothing but x tens place में एक होता है, units place में होता है. So sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. So दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो 9 आ जाएगा. 9 times this number is means वो नंबर को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो is the twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Reversing the order of the digits means, suppose order of the digits means, suppose if you take the 18 number ले लिया 1 8, order of the digits change करना बोले तो 8 1 पे आना है, 1 8 में आना. So what number it becomes? It becomes 81. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will explain to you on the board here very clearly the solution here. See here. So what is the question here given to you? You see clearly sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So that means this problem can be done normally just guessing method. 2-digit number मैं पहले guessing method में बोलता हूँ. दोनों को digits को add कर लिया तो कितना आना है? 9. So 9 आने वाला नंबर्स क्या है? 80 हो सकता है, 27 हो सकता है, 30 6 हो सकता है, 45 हो सकता है, और 54 भी हो सकता है, नेक्स्ट 63 भी हो सकता है, 72 हो सकता है, 81 हो सकता है. These are the sum of the digits. दोनों को ऐड कर ले तो 9 आएगा. और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में क्या दे दिया है? 9 टाइम्स दिस नंबर. इसको 9 टाइम्स कर लिया तो that is equals to twice the number obtained, 2 times the number obtained by reversing order of the digits. ये सही होगा? 18 into 9. 18 9 sir. Do anyone know? 162. Tables you need to know. And if you multiply 2 by the 81, 162 आ रहे, तो answer is 18. हो गया. But you are not supposed to say do the solution like this. Just this is randomly checking. देखो 9 times this, अब ये नंबर मान लो, ये इसका भी सम 9 आ जाएगा, ये दोनों का भी सम 9 आ जाएगा. But if you multiply this by the 9, and that is not whether it is equals to the 2 times of the reversing order of the digits. So now here let us go for the using the linear equations. How can you frame the linear equation in this equation? Okay, so let tens digit is equals to x and units digit is equals to y. टेंस प्लेस में x है, यूनिट्स प्लेस में y है. तो व्हाट इज दैट नंबर? कैन यू से xy? कैन एनीवन टेल? टेंस प्लेस में x है, यूनिट्स प्लेस में y है.
Plus y is equal to 9.
Okay.
X plus y is equal to 9.
Okay. Since sum of the digits, very good. Since,
Sir.
Wait. Since sum of the digits is equals to 9, ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो 9 आएगा. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो गया है. Okay, this is okay. But I am asking what is that number? Can you tell me the number? If tens place में x है, units place में y है, तो number क्या होगा? xy होगा?
सर ये तो 10x प्लस y होगा ना?
प्लस y. x into y नहीं होगा. Actually see here numbers बोले तो tens place में 2 है, units place में 5 है, बोले तो 25 लिख सकते हैं. But if they are the variables, tens place में x है, units place में y है, तो xy नहीं लिख सकते. क्यों नहीं लिख सकते हैं? xy बोले तो x into y होता है. variables is nothing but x into y. So then the number will become, if tens place में x है, ये tens place है units place मान लो, so either x either y means the number will become 10x plus y. See, अब x का place में 2 ले लो, y का place में 5 ले लो, suppose assumption. So 10 into 2, 20 plus 5, 25. The number is 25. So then the number becomes, then the number is 10x plus 5. Then the number is 10x plus 5. Okay. Number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Number obtained. What is the question here? Number obtained by reversing. So reversing the order of digits. बोले तो क्या है?
सर 10y plus x
10y plus x, 10y plus x.
10y plus x. It is given that 9 times the number is equals to 2 times the reversing that. So as per the problem you can write here. पूरा statement लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise as per the problem, 9 times this number is equals to 2 times the reversing the order of the digits. So from this second equation you will get. So 90x plus 9y is equals to 20y plus 2x. ये x दोनों इधर लेके आओ. 90x plus 9y minus 20y minus 2x is equals to 0. 90x minus 2x. 90x minus 2x.
88x
And plus 9y minus 20y minus 11y is equals to 0. If you get confused from this, you can take the 11 common. 11 common ले 8x minus y is equals to 0. तो 11 को उधर लेके जाओ. So 8x minus y is equals to 0. This is second equation. First equation is this one. Second equation is this one. आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करना है तो एलिमिनेशन मेथड में डायरेक्टली यू कैन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड 2 ऐड कर लो. ये दोनों को बिकॉज़ हियर y का कोएफिशिएंट +1 है, y का कोएफिशिएंट -1 है. So directly you add the two equations. So what do you get here? Equation number 1 plus equation number 2 implies. So x plus y is equals to 9. 8x minus y is equals to 0. दोनों को ऐड कर रहे तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 9x is equals to 9, x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Substitute in any one equation. Substitute in equation number 1. So what do you get here? 1 plus y is equals to 9. From this y is equals to 8. So x value 1 है, y value 8 है. Therefore, then the number is 10x plus y, which is equals to 10 into 1 plus 8, which is equals to 10 plus 8, which is equals to 18. सर इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. सिंपली स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग कैसे कर लिया वैसे कर दिए तो 2 स्टेप में आ जाएगा ना. You may think the question like that. Suppose if the question is changed to you can frame the question in another way also. You can frame the question in another way also. Suppose to get the answer as a, I will give the one question to you, same statement. Will you try at home? I will
yes,
try.
sir. Okay, sir.
Second statement I am changing. This is letting me like that only. Second statement I am changing. Second statement I am writing little bit big. First statement is what? Sum of the digits is 9. Sum of the digits is equals to 9. दोनों को ऐड कर ले तो 9 आ जाएगा. Okay? the number means whatever the number you are going, number is 9 less than the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. This is a question. Find the number, 2-digit number. Okay, the sum of the digits is 9 and the number is 9 less than the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. तो वो नंबर से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट 9 कम है, that number is 9 less than the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. उसको ऑर्डर को चेंज कर ले तो इसको इक्वेशन फ्रेम करना है. I want you people to frame the equation for the second statement. If you frame the equation for the second statement, solution not necessary. Solution is not necessary. Exactly. Do it the solution also. But answer, can anyone tell now? What is the answer? Oh, sorry, we have crossed the time. Okay, we'll discuss in the next class, tomorrow's class. Okay? You try this one, and in the tomorrow class, we'll discuss this. One by one, please leave the class.
Thank you, sir.